In this video, I'll be showing you the Slang Retail Assistant VAMO for the web. The Retail Assistant supports searching for an item.
Next.
Search for banana.
Looking up banana.
Perfect. The application also supports adding to cart using the assistant. In case the item is ambiguous, there's also a disambiguation process.
Next.
Add Alfonso Ratnagiri mango to my cart.
How much?
25 kilograms.
Added Alfonso Ratnagiri mango to the cart.
It also supports navigation using the Slang Retail Assistant.
Next.
Show me my cart.
Opening the cart page.
As you can see, it took us to the cart page. Thank you for watching this brief demo of the Slang Retail Assistant VAMO for the web.